Programming skills are invaluable in today's career and technology landscape. And they help prepare students for in-demand jobs. In order to develop these skills, students need hands-on practice with realistic projects. However, this can often be at the expense of instructors' grading workload, or students may not receive the immediate and personalized feedback that they need. MindTap for programming languages and web design helps move students down the path to employability with live coding labs. These take project-based assignments aligned to a textbook and offers them in a fully online integrated development environment with auto-graded feedback on students' input. Cengage partners with industry experts to integrate state-of-the-art tools within each MindTap. And MindTap for programming includes an IDE built specifically for students learning how to code. It was designed by observing the key tools that work in the developer community and offers them in a clean, simple interface that's approachable and useful for beginners and experts alike. Let's take a look. On the left are the project instructions in the instructional sidebar. For many of these, they come right out of the end of chapter material, and each chapter has multiple coding lab assignments. The center is the code editor, where students write their code. When students load the project initially, there will be some default code and instruction text to help them get started. This allows them to focus on the functions and concepts they're learning in that specific chapter. And then, on the right, is the output in a live program terminal. When students click the Run button, the code will be compiled and executed, and the output will appear on the right in the terminal. Students can then review their task list. The task list contains the lesson objectives a student needs to complete in the assignment and includes a series of checks that a student runs after their project to ensure the task has been completed. Students can see their progress in real time with feedback on their input and expected output. When students are satisfied with the code and have sufficiently completed all tasks, they can click Submit, and it will be submitted to the instructor. The score will be instantly reflected in the MindTap gradebook, also known as the Progress app. Through the Progress app, the instructor easily reviews the student's submissions in review mode, sees their scores, and all of the automated grading data that the student has received. This allows the instructor to review all the student's work, to add comments, feedback, and adjust grades as necessary. In addition, the IDE offers multiple themes, has a built-in Help and Support tab, and supports multiple class files. Learning to code is about problem solving, and MindTap for programming languages and web design gives students the tools and support they need to tackle problems without becoming overwhelmed, and while saving the instructors valuable time and energy.